Hello everybody, welcome back to another Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2021 tutorial. In this one, I'm going to show you how to export footage and do it the right way. So here we go guys, I've got a video or a piece of footage loaded into my project panel. Now, I'm going to go ahead and right click on this and I'm going to go down, and here you're going to see under New Sequence from Clip. What this does is it creates a sequence with the exact settings of the initial footage, and about 98 out of 100 times that's really all you'll need if to set up a sequence. Sometimes if you have different pieces of footage from different cameras and different resolutions, it can get a little wonky, but 98 out of 100 times that's perfect. Also, I resist the urge to go to File, New, Sequence, and then select a sequence here, because sometimes you'll select the wrong one. Like, for example, I would select 1080 times 1080p 30, but the footage here is 1080p 24. So it gets out of sync. So that way when you're rendering it or when you're exporting it, like I'm going to do here, you don't experience any issues. So to render or export footage, go to File, drop down to Export, left click on Media, and here's what I do. 95 out of 100 times I'm going to use the H.264 format. I'm just going to let the match source high bitrate, and then I am just going to go ahead and select desktop. I'll save it to my desktop and just left click on export. There are cases where you're going to want to use a different format or a different codec, particularly if you're using an alpha channel and things like that, but that's a little more complicated, and I have videos on that if you want to learn about it. So exporting footage or rendering footage, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Be back soon with some more content.